Welcome to Yogapify. If you're watching this video, you've probably just signed up and are wondering, where do I start? What does each section do? And how does this actually help my yoga work? This overview video will walk you through all the major modules in Yogapify. Not step by step, but why each module exists, what problem it solves, and what improves for you once you start using it. You don't need to remember everything in one go. Think of this as orientation, so you feel clear and confident while exploring the app at your own pace. We'll end this video with the dashboard to show how everything comes together into one calm view. Let's begin with the very first touch point between you and your students. For most yoga teachers and small studios, the first challenge is visibility. People hear about you through word of mouth, WhatsApp, or social media. But when they want more information, there is often no single clear place that explains who you are, what you offer, and how to take the next step. Many teachers end up answering the same questions again and again on WhatsApp. Others try building a website, but that usually feels heavy, expensive, and hard to maintain. The landing page module in Yogapify is designed to solve this exact problem. This module gives you one clean, professional page that represents your yoga work clearly. It becomes the single link you can confidently share on WhatsApp, Instagram, or anywhere else, knowing that students will get clear information without confusion. What makes this especially useful is how easy it is to get started. Yogapify includes AI-assisted support that helps you create your landing page using pre-built prompts. All you need to do is answer a few simple questions and you're done. You get 5 AI attempts, which is usually enough to help you reach the perfect result. To make things even simpler, the page comes with preloaded images and a ready structure, so you're not starting from a blank screen. Most teachers are able to set up their landing page in less than an hour, without technical help or external designers. And unlike a traditional website, this page is not fixed. You can update your content, change the look and feel, or refresh it every few months as your batches or focus change. This keeps your presence current without rebuilding anything from scratch. The real benefit here is clarity. Students come to you already informed, and you spend less time explaining and more time teaching. Once students can clearly see what you offer and reach out confidently, the next challenge is organizing your actual classes. That's where the batches module comes in. For many yoga teachers, classes are managed informally. Details about timings, fees, and schedules often live in memory, notebooks, or old WhatsApp messages. As long as you're running 1 or 2 classes, this may feel manageable. But the moment you add more batches, confusion creeps in. The batches module exists to bring structure and clarity to how you run your classes. In Yogapify, every class you run, online, offline, or hybrid, can be set up as a batch. Each batch has clear information like timings, fees, and status. This creates a strong foundation for everything else in the app. Instead of remembering details or repeating them manually, your batches become the single source of truth for how your classes operate. The real value of the batches module is scalability without stress. You can add new batches as your yoga work grows without losing control or clarity. Other modules like members, payments, and reminders connect naturally to batches. This means you're not managing isolated pieces but one coherent system. Once your batches are clearly defined, something important changes. Your classes feel organized. Your communication becomes consistent. And growth starts to feel possible without chaos. With batches in place, the next step is managing the people who join those batches. That brings us to the members module. Once your batches are clearly defined, the next question becomes, who exactly is part of your yoga work? For many yoga teachers, student information is scattered. Names are in WhatsApp chats, payment notes are in notebooks, and batch associations are often kept in memory. This works for a while, but as the number of students grows, it becomes difficult to stay organized and give personal attention. The members module exists to solve this problem. In Yogapify, every student you work with has a clear member profile. This gives you one central place to see who your students are, which batches they belong to, and whether they are currently active. You don't need to enter unnecessary information or deal with heavy data entry. The focus is on keeping things simple and usable in real life. As your yoga work grows, the members module quietly becomes one of your most valuable supports. You no longer rely on memory to track who belongs where. You can quickly understand your current student base, and you can maintain a sense of personal connection even as numbers increase. The shift here is subtle but powerful. Instead of feeling reactive, you start feeling organized. Instead of wondering who's active, you know. With members clearly managed, you're now ready for the next kind of interaction. Conversations with people who are interested but not yet students. Many potential students want to speak to you before joining. They may want to ask questions, understand your approach, or see if a batch is right for them. Managing these conversations informally can quickly become exhausting. That's where the appointment module comes in. In most yoga practices, appointment scheduling happens through back and forth messages. Are you free today? Can we speak tomorrow? Please call after 7. This takes time, interrupts your day, and often leads to missed calls or dropped interest. The appointment module is designed to remove this friction. With Yogapify, you can share a simple appointment booking link. Interested students can choose a convenient time for a callback or video call based on the availability you've set. This small change creates a big shift. Instead of chasing conversations, you allow serious interest to organize itself. Appointments in Yogapify are flexible. They can be used for inquiry calls, introductory video conversations, one-on-one consultations. You remain in control of your availability and your time is respected. The real value of the appointment module is intent. When someone books time with you, they are signaling genuine interest. This allows you to focus your energy on conversations that matter instead of constant coordination. Once appointments are in place, you feel less interrupted. Conversations feel more intentional, and your yoga work starts to feel more professional without becoming rigid. After these conversations happen, the next question becomes, how do you track interest, follow up, and convert naturally? That's where lead management comes in. After you've spoken with interested students through calls or video conversations, the next challenge is continuity. Good conversations happen, but later it becomes hard to remember who you spoke to, what was discussed, and what the next step was. When follow-ups are handled informally, even genuine interest can quietly fade away. The lead management module exists to bring structure to this stage. In Yogapify, leads are created naturally from your interactions and appointments and are also captured through your landing page. This means you don't have to re-enter information or maintain separate lists. Every interested student has a clear place in the system, with visibility into where the conversation stands. Instead of relying on memory, you can see who needs a follow-up, who is still considering, and who is ready to move forward. This doesn't turn yoga into sales. It simply helps you stay organized and respectful in your communication. The lead management module is intentionally simple. It helps you track interest without pressure and follow up without feeling awkward. When a student is ready to join, you can smoothly convert them into a member without duplication or confusion. The shift here is clarity. You stop losing track of serious inquiries. You follow up calmly and confidently. And enrollments happen naturally, not forcefully. Once a student decides to join, the next step is handling fees clearly and professionally. That brings us to payments and invoices. Handling money is one of the most uncomfortable parts of running a yoga practice. Many teachers track payments manually, send reminders themselves, and feel awkward following up for fees. Over time, this creates stress, uncertainty, and missed income. The Payments and Invoices module is designed to remove this emotional and administrative burden. With Yogapify, invoices and receipts can be generated automatically. Payments are clearly linked to members and batches, so you always know who has paid, what is pending, and where things stand financially. Instead of personally reminding students again and again, the system handles reminders for you. This changes the tone of money conversations. It becomes neutral and professional, no longer personal or uncomfortable. The real value of this module is predictability. You can see your income clearly. You know what's pending. And you don't carry the mental load of tracking everything yourself. Payments stop being a constant worry in the background. Once payments are organized, you feel more at ease. Your finances feel stable. And you gain confidence in treating yoga as a sustainable profession. With operations now running smoothly, the final step is visibility and clarity at a glance. That's where the marketing assets and dashboard come in. Even when yoga teachers are doing good work, staying visible can feel difficult. Many teachers struggle with questions like, what should I post? How often should I share? How do I talk about my classes without sounding salesy? As a result, communication becomes inconsistent or is avoided altogether. The Marketing Assets module exists to reduce this friction. Yogapify provides ready-to-use marketing assets which are drawn out from your landing page itself, contains PDFs with clickable links. It also contains links to some popular pages that can easily be shared in one tap. These assets help you communicate clearly and consistently without needing to start from scratch each time. This will help you stay visible in a respectable and professional way. With marketing assets, you save time deciding what to share. You reduce hesitation around communication. And you maintain a steady presence without pressure. This makes marketing feel manageable and human instead of heavy or forced. The shift here is confidence. You stop overthinking communication. You show up consistently. And visibility becomes a support for your work, not a source of stress. Now that every part of your yoga work is organized, let's look at how it all comes together. When yoga teachers use multiple tools, information is often scattered. Important details live in different places, and you end up reacting instead of having a clear overview. The dashboard in Yogapify is designed to solve this by giving you one calm control center. The dashboard brings together key information from across the app, members, payments, activity, and updates into a single view. You don't need to open multiple modules to understand where things stand. A quick glance helps you orient yourself and decide what needs attention. The value of the dashboard is not complexity, it's simplicity. It helps you start your day with clarity, reduce mental clutter, feel in control without micromanaging. The dashboard reflects what Yogapify is meant to be, a quiet support system. When everything is working together, your yoga work feels organized, your decisions feel calmer, and you spend less time worrying about administration. This is what Yogapify looks like when it's fully supporting you. Yogapify is easy to use and easy to learn. Just spend 15 to 20 minutes a day with the app over the next few days and you'll quickly discover how simple it is. Our module-wise learning videos will guide you step by step. Once you set up Yogapify, most of your business side work is taken care of. After that, your main focus will be promoting your classes, talking to customers, and approving payments received. All other important aspects of your business run automatically and rarely require your intervention. Yogapify comes with a 30-day plus 30-day free trial. This is designed to ensure you're fully convinced about the benefits before you spend a single rupee. The first 30 days are available to everyone. To unlock the extended 30 days, you need to actively engage with the app. As a next step, design your landing page, create at least 4 batches, and generate 3 auto invoices, preferably within the next 7 to 10 days and definitely within the first 30 days of your free trial. Once you complete this active engagement, you'll realize that Yogapify is here to make the business side of yoga calmer, clearer, and more sustainable. So you can focus on what you truly enjoy: teaching, learning, and practice. Welcome to Yogapify.